if you're thinking about filming your first YouTube video and you're feeling scared or nervous, that's completely normal. It can be scary, especially if you're starting that little bit later in life or you don't feel super tech savvy or very confident. Today I'm sharing 5 beginner-friendly tips that'll help make that first video filming day that little bit less scary. Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn with Nia. Tip number 1. You don't have to post it. So let's take some pressure off straight away. Just because you film something doesn't mean you have to post it. You can record it, watch it back and decide later if you will post it. Because that video can be your practice run, a warm-up. Sometimes just getting that first filming session out of your system is just what you need to feel ready to move forward. Tip number 2. Talk to one person. So those of you who've watched some of my other videos know that I'm a big advocate of thinking that you're talking to one person. And when you're recording, record as if you're talking just to that one person. Somebody, your friend, a family member, whoever you feel relaxed talking to. Imagine you're just talking to them because that comes across as a lot more natural. So don't imagine an audience of hundreds or thousands or even millions. Picture one person. Someone who needs to hear what you're saying. A friend, a client, someone who was just like you a few months ago. That's who you're talking to. That trick has helped me more than anything when I started recording my YouTube videos. Because you're not performing, you're connecting. Tip number 3. Keep it short and simple. So your first video doesn't need to be a masterpiece, okay? A simple introduction to yourself or one tip is enough. Even a simple "Hi, and this is what my channel is about" video is perfect for video number 1. And remember that done is better than perfect. And a short video is perfectly okay. Because the more you film, the more confident you'll become on camera, the more you can make longer videos that have lots of different tips and lots of different information. But at first, when you're just getting used to recording yourself for the first time, posting your first video on YouTube, just keep it short and simple. Tip number 4. Use notes and not necessarily a full script. So if you're worried about what to say, just use notes. Just a few bullet points to keep you on track. Now, those of you who've watched some of my other videos will know that I'm a big advocate for bullet points. Because when you write a fully word-for-word script, you'll end up reading it off your piece of paper or a screen, and you'll end up sounding robotic. Unless you're a seasoned news presenter or TV presenter, then you're going to sound a bit fake if you're reading a full script and recording yourself, okay? If you use bullet points, you will have all your main points there in the bullet points, plus a little bit about your introduction and your wrap-up or ending with the call to action. Now, a call to action is something like encouraging people to comment or subscribe or like your video. And bullet points will keep you on track when you're recording your video and help you sound natural speaking to your audience. And remember, you don't need to sound polished or professional, you just need to sound natural, sound like you. And if you get a little pause or stumble, trip over your words a bit, don't even worry about it because your audience will understand and they'll see that you're a real human being and they can relate to you. So last but not least, tip number 5. Be kind to yourself. This tip is so important. Be kind to yourself. Because the first video you record is always going to be the hardest. No other video is going to be as hard to record as your first video, okay? Because you're learning, you're growing, and you're trying something new. And believe me, that's something to be really proud of. You don't need fancy gear or years of experience. You just need to start and show up as yourself. So if you've been thinking about filming your first video, I really hope this has helped you. And let me know in the comments below how you're getting on. Have you filmed your first video? Are you about to start filming it? Let's have a chat in the comments. And remember, if you want more support, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube, I am here to help you. And remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And check out some of the other videos on my channel to get some more tips and advice on starting and growing your YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next one.